So students, this is statistics first exercise. We have only 9 problems. 9 problems. So yesterday we completed 7th and 8th. Of course, I give it as a homework for you. So whether you did it or not, so you just check. Those who have completed, well and good. Those who have not completed, just look at here. See here, exercise 9.1, 8th question. The values are 170, 212, 252, 225, 310, 712, 412, 425, 322, 325, 192, 198, 230, 320, 412, 530, 602, 724, 402, 405, total 25. One 70, 212, 252, 225, 310, 712, 412, 425, 322, 325, 192, 198, 230, 320, 412, 530, 602, 724, 370 and 402, 317, 403, 405, 372, 413. So this is the data given. You just read the question. The electricity bills of 25 houses. So a survey is conducted. We took the information from 25 houses in that locality. So in first house the electricity bill is 170, second house the electricity bill is 225, third house the electricity bill is 252, like the 25th house electricity bill is 413. Like the 25 houses electricity bills are collected. Amount is noted. Now the question is, construct a grouped frequency distribution table with class size 75. So we have to construct a frequency table, because if this data is a raw data, if we arrange in a systematic order, then we will come to know that how many houses have bill more than 500, how many have the bill in the range of 400 to 500. Like that we can answer any question. So we arrange this in the form of frequency, a systematic order. That is called group data. It is also called frequency distribution table. So how to prepare the frequency distribution table? There are 3 things. One is class interval. See here, class interval. Class interval we take. Next we take tally marks, that is counting how many are there in that class interval, that is a tally marks. After that, frequency. These 3 things we prepare, we require. To prepare the frequency distribution table, we require these 3 values. One is class intervals, other is tally marks, and other is frequency. So class intervals we have to choose. We have to choose the class interval as per our wish. We can, which is the smallest number, 170. So 170, covering 170 we should start. So I can take 150 to 75 difference we should take, that is given in the problem. 75 difference. 150 plus 75 is 225. 150 plus 75 is 225. Why I started with 150? Any number you can start, but 170 should cover. So you can start with 165 also. Even you can start from 170 also, no problem. It is not that we should start with 150 only. Even we can start 100 to 175. No issue, because if it is given in the problem, take the first class like this, then you proceed taking the ranges like this, then we take accordingly. But it is not mentioned. 75 difference should be there, that is mentioned in the problem. But this lower limit from which point we should start, that is not given. Okay. So I am taking 150 to 225. 225 to 300. 75 difference. 300 to 375. 375 to 450, 75 difference. 450 to 525, 525 to 600, 600 to 675, 675 to 730. Up to what number we should take? What is the highest number? 712. 712 will come in this? No. It will not come. 712 will not come in the 675 range. So 712 means take one more. 730. In this 712 will come. So is there any other number which is beyond 730? More than 730? No. So up to here you stop. Start from 150 and up to 750. 750 you stop. 75 difference. 150 plus 75 is 225. 225 plus 75 is 300. 300 plus 75 is 375. 375 plus 75 is 450. 450 plus 75 is 525. 525 plus 75 is 600. 600 plus 75 is 675. 675 plus 75 is 730. Like this I took the class intervals. Now 170 you mark. So yesterday I clearly explained, when class intervals, there is no confusion in this. You can take any class intervals as you wish. So unless it is mentioned in the problem. Here 75 difference we have to take, that is given. But from which point, which number we should start, it is not given. So covering 170, you start, you take your own. You can start 150 to 225, or you can start from 155, 160, 165, 170 also you can start. But 175 if you start, this will miss. Don't start from 175 like that. So one more important thing I explained yesterday, there was some mistake. So when 150, 225 is there, 225 is there, should be right here or here, that is a down. So please remember, because in 10th class also you are going to get this. It is a continuation. In 8th class also you studied this. 225 should be written here. 225 to 300. 225 is written here, not here in this. Okay. Now 170, 212, 212 here only. 252. 252 will lie here in 225 to 300 range. 225 is here. 225 is here, not here. I have given one sentence also. And after completing this exercise, while going for the second exercise, anyway we have to study all the formulas and all. So at a time I will give all the notes and all the explanation in that. At a time I will give, so that it will be serial. So this concept also I will give after completing this. So 225 is here. 310. 310 is here. 712, 712, 412, 425, 322, 322 in this 300 to 375, 325, 325 here only, 192, 192, 198, 230, 230 is in 225 to 300 range, no? 320, where it lies? Here in this. 412, 412 here. 530, 530 here. 602, 724 here. 370, 370 in this range. Fifth one written like this, no? Fifth one. 402, 402. 317, 403 here. 405 here only. Sixth one you start separately. 372, 372 here. 413. That's all. So count and write in the last column. That is over, students. You complete it. So before that, before you start this, you write the heading. First you write this data. Then you write grouped frequency distribution table for the given data is grouped frequency distribution table for the given data is grouped frequency distribution table. That's all. Prepare the class intervals. Write down the tally marks. Count 1, 2, 3, 4. 3. 5 plus 2, 7. 5 plus 2, 7. So here nothing, 0. 1, 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3, 4, 11, 18, 21, 25. 25 over. Correct. Right now. Complete this table. And all of you read the next question. Students, completing this, write the 9th question. Ninth question you write down. Two point six, 3, 3.7, 3.2, 2.2. Write down the data from the textbook. Students, write down the problem from the textbook. This is the data. Write down the given data is this is the data. Now, grouped frequency distribution table for the given data is, then you start the procedure. For that, what we require? Class interval we require. See here, class interval. Class interval. We require class intervals. Tally mass and frequency. Class intervals, how to choose? See the question. Is it any hint is given, you use it. Otherwise, you decide what to take. Covering all the values, you decide. See here. Construct a grouped frequency distribution table. Question I am reading. With exclusive classes for this data. Using class intervals of size 0.5. Starting from the interval 2 to 2.5. 2 to 2.5. First one is what? 2 to 2.5. It is given. See, 2 to 2.5. And it is also given that difference should be only 0.5 difference. 2 to 2.5. Difference is 0.5. Next, 2.5 to 10. Add 0.5. Or 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, like that you put the decimal in between. So 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 means after decimal we don't write 0. Next 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 means we write only 4 because decimal, no? 40 to 45. Up to which number? Maximum highest is 4.6 only. I think this is sufficient. Write down. 2 to 2.5, 2.5 to 3, 3 to 3.5, 3.5 to 4, 4 to 4.5, 4.5 to 5. Take the class intervals. So it is given in the question itself. You should take from 2 to 2.5. Starting is 2 to 2.5. That is mentioned. So accordingly I am taking. 2 to 2.5 I took. 2 to 2.5 I took. 2.5 to 3, 3 to 3.5, 3.5 to 4, 4 to 4.5, students, this is a raw data, information converted into group data, which is also called frequency distribution table. Group data or frequency distribution table. For frequency distribution table, we require a table. In that, what are our columns? One is class intervals. What is the second column? Tally marks. Next, frequency. Now you start. 2.6. Where? 2.6 is here. 2.6. 3. 3.7. 3.7 is here. 3.2. 2.2. 4.1. 3.5. 3.5. Don't take in this. 3.5. I explained clearly. So it should be. This is the starting value. So 3.5 is taken here. 3.5 will come here. Be careful. Of course, I will give the internet notes also. Next 4.5. 4.5 is here. 4.5. 3.5. 3.5 is here. 3.5 will lie in. 3.5 will lie in which class? 3.5 will lie in which, this class or this class? This one. Yesterday also we have written 3.5 to 4 in this. Same way 4.5 will lie in this. I am writing your clarification also. Okay. Now continuation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, okay. Next. 2.3. 2.3 here. 3.2 here. 3.4 here only. 3.8 here. 3.2 here. 4.6 3.7 here. After 4, fifth one is written like this. 2.5 is here. 2.5 will lie in this class. 4.4 3.4 3.3 again start separately. 2.9 here. 3 here. 3 4.3 2.8 3.5 is here. 3.2 here. 3.9 here. 3.9 3.2 is here. 3.2 after 4, fifth one is like this. 3.1 again here. 3.7 here. 3.4 here only. 4.6 is here. 4.6 3.8 here. 3.2 2.6 3.5 is here. 3.5 4.2 2.9 3.6 count and write that. So that is the problem. Complete it. Total how many? 2. 6. Next. Over. Right up. Copy the numbers from the textbook. Just see only class intervals. Then you do your own tally marks and you count, you write the frequencies your own. Don't write from here, you will get confused. So you see the textbook values and accordingly you keep the tally marks, accordingly you add and write the frequencies. Only class intervals you listen to me how I am preparing the class intervals. That also we have not decided our own, it is given in the textbook. See here, starting from the interval 2 to 2.5, first one is 2 to 2.5, after that 0.5 difference, 2.5 to 3, 3 to 3.5, 0.5 difference. Over. Students, copy it and so 9th is over, but first problem, 5th and 6th, 3 problems we have to solve. So in the next class, let us complete them. So now let us conclude here, because if we start the next problem, we cannot complete in time. So 8th and 9th, with all the steps I explained. So the thing is, of course, I will give the notes for the class intervals and all. But you remember this, 3.5 will lie in this, not here. So 4 will lie here, not here. 4.5 will lie here, not here. Similarly, 3 will lie in this, not here. Suppose 2.5, 2.5 is not here, it will lie here. That you remember, and I will give it as a notes also after completing this exercise. Because second exercise we are going to write some introduction. In that, this also I will give write it as a part of that new introduction. Okay students, complete it and let us conclude. So thank you. Have a nice day.